Hey, what's going on, everybody? Matt Rivera here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we're actually putting up the walls in the cabin. I have my Bluetti AC200 Max for power. I'm using a power saw. I have a battery operated Ryobi stud nailer, how I'm using to build these walls. Of course, your typical 2x4s, 2x6, you know, all this wood just ready to go, and we're super excited. So I've never done this before, but it's a learning experience. I got Ian out in the yard doing yard work. There he is right there. And he's gonna come help out in a little bit, all right? But we're super excited. I'm gonna give this a shot and let's see what happens. I guess it's trial by error. So let's get it. What's up, Ian? You getting it? You getting in that work?
Uh-huh.
Oh yeah. Not child labor if it's your child. This is basically the setup. I have my Bluetti. My son's bringing me the wood. We have the measurements. We're gonna cut it all. And we're placing it down over there because we're creating that back wall first. And then he's gonna go back to the landscaping. I'm gonna open up this nail gun and use the nail gun. I would let him use it, but I've never used a nail gun and I don't want him to get shot, so. Oh, look at that. Oh, snap.
3 hours later.
Hey ladies, you can hit me up. I'm single and ready to mingle. 5'10", 5'10" and a half, to be honest. Just say I'm 5'11".
2 hours later.
I take you on a real nice dinner.
To McDonald's. To the gas station.
I'm too broke for you.
What can I say? This boy's got all his swag from his dad, you know what I'm saying? Confidence, baby, that's how we roll. White lips and everything. What? Okay, so far we framed one wall. All right, so it's right here. Once it's fully nailed in and all that stuff, we'll stand it up. And it should reach completely to this beam right here. So later on in the future, I'm gonna start putting these beams up, these beams more. I'm gonna start filling in with more beams. So this way we could actually use these beams to create a ceiling in the bedrooms. And it's gonna be nice. Real fucking nice. You look good, Ian. You feel good?
Mm-hmm.
Feels good in here, right? No air conditioner. Midday is already past the lunch hour.
I mean, if there's a breeze.
Yeah. There's been a slight breeze, but it's kind of died down today. But it's not bad though.
Yeah.
All right, back to work. Go ahead, stay in front of that window.
No, this window.
Oh, that one.
The wind is coming from this way.
This one. You're right. I forgot. There you go. You feel it now? I hear it, so I know you must feel it.
I do. My nips are nice and crispy now.
Oh, nice. Crisp nips.
Crisp nips.
Yeah. Bam, bitch. What? My first wall, motherfucker. I'm Rick James, bitch. But all right, here we go. With the help of my lovely son, we're going to knock out this wall, get it up. This is the first wall ever, and it's my bedroom wall. I need it. This is dope. Very excited. Like I said, it's trial and error. You know, I've never really done anything like this before, but this is pretty cool, man. You do a lot of stuff to this wall. A lot of stuff to this wall. You know what I'm saying? All right. On to the next one. Let's get it. You got this, Ian. Yeah, there you go. Whoa, Ian. Hercules. Look at you go. Bam.
Perfect dinner.
Right? How you feeling?
Good.
You feel confident? Been a good day? Hell yeah. Feeling
Nobody can stop me.
Exactly. Nobody can stop me. That's good, man. You having fun today? It's definitely different, right?
Yeah.
So this is our bathroom. He's holding up the wall right now. There goes our bathroom window. Our galvanized tub. That's where the composting toilet's gonna go. Well, the vent is gonna go out that way. So Taking it little by little, man. One step at a time, baby. Ooh, I look like crap. But shake and bake, man. We're having a good time. We're rocking it. We're listening to some good music.
Balls to the wall.
Balls to the wall. As you can see, this is in. We have our door. I mean, it's all set, man. Look at this. Bam. Nailed it. So here goes the first wall. Going up. Here goes the next wall. Going up. Kind of a narrow hallway, but we'll make it work. Right, Ian? Mm-hmm. It works. We'll get it. But shake and bake, baby. One step at a time, man. Mm-hmm. So let's go ahead and finish this bad boy up. Okay, so after a whole day of sawing this bad boy right here, a little skill saw, we're at 90% with the Blue Eddy AC200 Max. This thing's a beast. It gave me no problems. I was charging my cell phone on top right here while I was powering this skill saw, and it was really great. You know, it's pretty cool. The fan hasn't even turned on. It's been kind of sitting out in the sun at this weird angle. It's kind of my bad. But, I mean, this is an amazing piece of equipment. If I could buy another one, I totally would. But I actually do have the extension battery, the B230, which will add much more battery life to this system. So I'm super excited to try that. That's exactly what we're going to be using to power our air conditioning unit. And kablamo. That's what we're working with. I'm going to step outside my door. Blue skies, shining happy. All right, everybody. Day one of putting up walls is complete. We ran out of wood, and really that's all we have left. And for our first day, I feel like this is a great job. I feel like for our first day, our first time doing this, you know, I feel like my son and I did a great job. You know, we had a lot of fun. We learned a lot together, and I look forward to working with Hey, big head. I look forward to working with this guy more often in the future. All right. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. I'm Matt Rivera. Y'all take care. Peace.